Good morning, everyone. This is your teacher DK sir. Today we are going to learn about flower. We don't have blackboard, anything. I don't have it, but let us be among the nature and let's learn something different. Okay, about flower. Now, whenever you think of a flower, we need to know what is a flower and what are the parts of a flower. Okay, look at this lovely flower. And whenever you see a flower, it will make you smile. Okay, look at this flower. What a lovely flower. This flower is taken from someone else's house. Okay, I have borrowed this flower to explain you this chapter. I'll try my best. Okay, now what is a flower? Okay, a flower is the part of the plant that makes the seed. A flower is the part of the plant that makes the seed. Okay, there are four main parts of a plant. Okay, there are four main parts of a plant. First one, you have the root. Okay, you have the soil, or you have the root, you have the stem. Can you see the stem? Okay, can you see the leaves? Can you see the green leaves? And on top, can you see the flower? Yes, very good. Okay, the four main parts of a flower are roots, stem, leaves, and the flower. So what is the function of the root? The main function of the root is to absorb water from the soil. Okay, next, what is the function of the stem? Look at this stem. Okay, the function of the stem is to support the plant. Can you see the stem over here? I can show you the stem. It also helps to transport water and minerals. Okay, it also helps to transport water and minerals. That is the function of the stem. What is the function of the leaf? Okay, you have the leaf over here. So what is the function of the leaf? Okay, can you see the leaf over here? Yes. What is the function of the leaf? The leaves, can you see the leaves? Use sunlight to provide the plant with energy. They also let in carbon dioxide through tiny openings called stomata. And where is the stomata present? On the surface of the leaf. Okay, on the surface of the leaf, and underneath the leaf you have the maximum stomata. Okay, all right, maximum stomata. All right, okay, next. Now that was all. So what is the function of the flower? Now can you see the flower, this lovely flower? Okay, look at this lovely flower. Okay, this lovely flower. Okay, what is the function of the flower? The function of the flower is to reproduce. The function of the flower, look at this flower. The function of the flower, it is to reproduce. All these flowers, they have the male part and the female part of a flower. Okay, now let me take you to another flower. This flower name, I know this is okay. This is petunia. Okay, look at this. This is petunia. Okay, look at this flower. Okay, now look at this inside. You have the male part. This is the female part of a flower. I've just taken the female part of the flower. Okay, the female part of the flower, this is known as pistil. Okay, this is the name for the female part of the flower. And you have the stamens. I have not taken out the stamens over here. I have not taken out the stamen. This is the stamen. Okay, the male part of the flower. Male part of the, this is the name for the male part of the flower. The pistil, female part, has been divided into Can you see the first one, the on top, that is the stigma, you have the style, and this one, the down which I'm holding, it is connected to the ovary. Okay, stigma on top. This helps the pollens from the male to receive the pollens from the male and to transport it to pollen tube. This long thing, that is the pollen tube. Okay, next, now you have the stigma, style, and ovary. I have already mentioned that. Now next in the case of a male, in case of the male part, you have the stamen, you have the anther. Okay, this anther, can you see, it's like a powdery substance. Anther, can you see the anther? It's a powdery substance. Okay, let me focus this nicely. Okay, it's so difficult. Okay, and it's difficult, but still I'm trying my best. Okay, with this you'll be able to see this nicely. Okay, there's a powdery substance over there. Okay, that's the anther, and you have a long tube over there, that is the filament. Okay, next, now can you see this, this one, this white color, this is the petal. This is the petal, and this is always bright and colorful. And next one, can you see the outer covering, that the green portion, this is the sepal. Okay, all right, so this is all today for today's lesson. Okay, I hope that you like the lesson.